Welcome to the College and Career Center at Freedom High School. I'm Mrs. Dotson, the College and Career Specialist. I'm located in room 802. I can assist seniors with college applications, the FAFSA, Bright Future Scholarship, and other scholarships. I can assist all grade levels with career exploration, post-secondary plans such as colleges or universities, a two-year college, a technical school, military, or for finding out more information about apprenticeship programs. I have an application help session every Wednesday. It's located in the College and Career Center in room 802 from 1:10 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. I can assist students with the FAFSA, college applications, scholarships, and post-secondary planning. In order to assist with face-to-face planning for the Wednesday application help session, please register, or you can schedule an individual appointment. Again, my name is Mrs. Dotson, the College and Career Specialist at Freedom High School. My email is jill.dotson@ocps.net, and my phone number is 407-816-5607. I look forward to helping you plan your future soon.